Hi, and welcome to Appysmarts. We're here to play the best educational apps and games for kids. Today, let's learn about lucky numbers with the fantastic app, Endless Numbers. What country are you from? What is the lucky number in your country? 13 is considered to be a lucky number in Italy, China, France, and Egypt.
Count by odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. 11. Plus. 2. 11 plus 2 equals 13. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 10, 11, 12, 13.
13.
Pistachio tried to protect the 13 donuts in the baker's dozen.
Seven is a lucky number in a lot of countries. Is 7 a lucky number in your country too?
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7!
Grumpkin eats sardines on all 7 days of the week.
I am not sure about number 4, but I've heard that some people in Germany consider it to be a lucky number.
4. Count by twos. 2, 4. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4!
There were 4 monster babies in the baby carriage.
I've also heard that number 15 is a lucky number in Mexico, Argentina, and Colombia.
15. Count by fives. 5, 10, 15. 2 plus 13. 2 plus 13 equals 15. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15!
Rocky skipped the rock 15 times on the water.
Eight is said to be a lucky number in China, Japan, and Vietnam.
8. Count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4,
6.
6.
8.
8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4.
Plus.
Plus. 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
It took a minute for Dapper Dandy to find all 8 planets in the solar system.
3 may be a lucky number in China, Sweden, Italy, and USA.
3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Plus. 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Abby has 3 eyes and needs special sunglasses to shade them all from the sun.
Nine might be a lucky number in China as well as Norway.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1. Plus.
8.
8. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
Pistachio, Yoshi, and Pinkerton sneezed 9 times.
If you want to see more game videos for kids, subscribe to our channel or visit appysmarts.com. Thanks for watching!